Hi friends, it is a wonderful experiment to show the rolling of a marble along a slope just like anti-gravity, but it is not anti-gravity.
For this experiment, we need 3 straws, a paperclip, a nail and a marble. Take the 2 straws and insert the paperclip just like this so as to make an angle. Now place the other straw under it so it will make a slope. Now place the nail over it, it will go downwards. Look, the nail is going downwards left side. Now place the marble over it, it go right side, that is upwards. Do you think the marble is going against anti-gravity? No. Actually, the center of the marble is rolling downwards through the sides of the straw, so it appears to climb the slope. Enjoy the experiment.